Welcome back, y'all. In case you've just joined me, I'm out here enjoying some of this beautiful, warm Savannah weather. It's actually about 20 degrees cooler than it normally is here. But regardless of the weather, us folks down south, we love to grill out. And that's what we're doing today. We're doing a smokehouse meal. And what we're moving to next is called pineapple pork chop pie. Now we're just gonna take a regular pork chop. Now these happen to be boneless. I just bought a whole loin and I sliced it the thickness that I wanted. And these are so good because you don't have to fool with a bone. All right, now I'm just gonna salt and pepper this. And I wanna make sure I get that seasoning all over them on both sides. Now I would really recommend that you double wrap these. We're not gonna stick them directly on the coals. We're gonna cook them up on the grate, but you just don't wanna use real thin tin foil and it leak on you. If you accidentally tear it, then all that fabulous juice from the pork, will spill out and you don't wanna lose a drop of it. You can see Michael thought of everything out here in our smokehouse. He's got a wonderful sink, and isn't he considerate, girls? He's thinking about me all the time. Now let's move on. All right, so I've got us some bell peppers done, and I'm gonna do us a few onion rings. Okay. All right, so we've got our salt and pepper chops, and we're gonna start with a bell pepper and a ring of onion and a ring of pineapple. And now I'm just gonna douse it with a little bit of teriyaki sauce. All right. I don't believe it, y'all, but I forgot my butter. That's not like me. I can't believe that I, Paula Deen, forgot the butter. I would be so mad if I got the one missing this pat of butter. Oh, you can do it without butter, but who would want to? Can't imagine wanting to do it without butter. Okay, the bell pepper, the onion, the pineapple, the teriyaki sauce. This is just a great little meal that's very little work, but is big, big on flavor. All right, so we're just gonna throw these over here on our hot fire. We're just gonna put these on the grill, and I've got some already on the grill cooking that should be about ready. Ooh, I can smell that pineapple and teriyaki sauce. And while we're over here, I want to show y'all something. You see this little house right here? Well, this is the house that my husband lived in, that Michael lived in as a teenager. And if those walls could talk, Paula may not be standing here cooking today. Oh, these are hot. Hot and smelling good. And those others are already starting to just sizzle. And let's see what we've got. You know, when you say grill cooking down here, we just love pork done on the grill. Look at all that beautiful, rich sauce, the butter and the teriyaki sauce. And that looks so good. You know, the hobo hamburger was the most requested recipe off the Food Network. That told me that people want regular recipes that are easy to fix and allow them to enjoy the out of doors. So I think this recipe is gonna be right up there because those hobo burgers are cooked in tin foil on the grill just like this, with a lot of the same ingredients, only in the hobo burgers I use potatoes. All right, so let's dig into one of these and see what we got. but I've never known a pig that I didn't like off the grill. Mmm.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.